take your money and leave my machine here.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
كيف حالك?
Alhamdulillah.
You look seems really busy, huh, boss?
Yeah, I'm really busy at the moment.
I want to introduce something pretty excellent to you.
Oh, what is it about?
It's our latest wheel liner machine, WA613.
Oh, sounds great. I don't have much time.
So it's okay, let's be quick.
I'll give you guys 5 minutes. Is that okay?
Okay, let's go. Now we have finished the pre-work before the measurement, and as you can see, our wheel liner machine is quickly, easy using, and efficiency. You always get ready when out of the box. Hello, boss. Our equipment have already installed.
Oh, is that all done? That was so quick. Is the small machine reliable?
Yeah, of course. As you can see, our measuring unit is much closer to the target than traditional way, and our camera have a higher pixel, and that's why it makes 613 high efficiency and accurate. One more thing I want to notice. There is no need extra space in front of the vehicle, and all the components you see, wheel clamps, W613, enough for you to do the wheel liner calibration. It saves your space and shipping cost. I believe that it's your best choice for your workshop and business. Whatever, let's follow me to the operation of the wheel liner calibration. Okay, let's go for the operation. Firstly, we need to select the region of the car, and then which brand of your car, and then which year of your car. And we confirm the model of your vehicle, and then which configuration of your car. And it will show the OE data on here of your vehicle. And if we confirm everything is okay, we can start the wheel liner calibration. Hello, boss. The wheel liner for your vehicle have been done.
Oh, that was so fast. How was my car now?
More than fast, we have accurate report, real-time data, and OTA of the software upgraded.
Okay, please send me the report to my email.
I believe that SmartSafe and W613 will be your greatest and honest friend of your workshop.
Oh, mashallah. Take your money and leave my machine here.
I believe with SmartSafe W613, our customer will feel smart and safe.
And now take your money and leave the machine here.
Okay, it was a great deal, boss. Thank you.